Now, I'm pretty sure that this is a crime. I mean, what the fuck? This... Wow. Wow. It's Felipe Hernandez. The mini-me. He has a flooring business. He does tile floors. He's also beaten women before. A lot of domestic disturbance charges. I believe he beat up Melissa Ravello. Oh, is that Krista Hemming? That's Krista Hemming. Wow. Imagine going to a courthouse, being a lawyer, wearing a sweatshirt. Wearing a sweatshirt to the courthouse. Somebody call Felipe. Somebody call Felipe.
Then I can file a motion to be on calendar like a week.
Oh.
Then the judge will decide if he's going to.
I'll see you. Don't worry.
So we have one of two judges.
You're a clown.
Right
there.
Oh, wow.
Bitch.
Supposed to be respectful of the court, the law, and the system, right? I'm just mad because I got a plea deal because my attorney wore a sweatshirt to the court.
Public servant, shut your
Be quiet,
mouth.
public servant.
Out of your oath.
Wow. That's bold. That's bold.
Either one of you guys got a complaint, go downstairs and file it. I don't need your crap. Leave out. Go file it. Go file it. Go file it.
What are you yelling for? What are you yelling for?
Hey, look,
What are you yelling
That's
for?
why you're not allowed to chew
Tyrant,
Look at
your
Mr.
gun.
Clifton, that's why
Look
you're
at
not
your
allowed
gun.
to
Mr. Security,
You
you shut up.
Why shut
Gun, buddy. You shut up. And we got you on camera assaulting people.
Salt.
I like that.
Who did he assault?
Spitting on people.
Spitting on people.
Spitting on people.
Get out of here.
Spitting on people.
Mr. Clifton.
Spitting on people. Spitting on people.
Want to recant that assault statement?
Close the door.
Public servant.
Public servant. Public servant.
Sovereign citizen.
Out of your own.
Fucking pigs.
Get away.
Oh, wow, that'll help.
Rag man suppressing civil rights. Shame on you. Martin Luther King will punch you in the face. Martin Luther King's ashamed of you, sir.
Wow!
Martin Luther King's ashamed of you, sir.
Okay, time out.
You're authority for Felipe Hernandez.
Martin Luther King's ashamed of you. Martin Luther King's ashamed of you.
Right away, boss. Right away, boss. Right away, boss.
Look at that old ass man. Look at that old ass man. I'm 52 years old. You don't need to tell me anything.
And so after the court has
Oh, listen to the YouTube attorney talk.
Yeah.
We have so many bar complaints.
And the response by one of the
What the fuck is all that? Who are these people?
Get out. And it escalated further. Mr. Clifton came out to the door.
You're dismissed.
You're dismissed. Okay.
As you were, Marshall, as you were.
And he goes, it's on the radio. He goes,
Imagine you're dismissed in 2019 still.
being assaulted. That's not true. He just lied on the audio.
Yep.
There's 7 or 10 witnesses here that, unless
Most of them
Marshall
reported.
Clifton was in fear for his life. But
This
there's no
guy.
good fear.
This-
He was not
his
that
father's a
involved.
CIA agent.
He assaulted.
Google
What happened was he
Gerald
contacted the
Patrick
Marshall.
Hemming.
He's violated a
And then
policy
call
procedure
Felipe when you have a
wearing
case.
the uniform and shooting down, and he's interacting with the public.
Oh, look at, there's Adam Kratt.
No, you heard. No, you're retarded.
Oh.
What'd you just say?
Oh, you call him
What'd you just say?
retarded?
Retarded? I'm
Marshall?
retarded.
Who's
Wow.
retarded?
You call people retarded at Marshall?
I take offense to that, man.
Sovereigns are
Yeah.
triggered.
I have mental problems, bro.
Yo,
You just
you're
say
in trouble
retarded.
for that one.
Easily triggered.
I
Sovereigns.
Hey, you guys back up.
Push me.
Why do you have that gang symbol on
Don't push me.
What's that blue one?
This is embarrassing.
Flag off your shirt. Hey, what flag does that represent?
Just
What
embarrassing.
flag does that represent? That doesn't represent
Oh, look, it's
America.
Krista.
Hey, dude, you calling people
The
retarded,
cancer
man?
of the whole movement.
Yo, that is not an American flag, Wilson. Hey, your partner right here just called him retarded, bro. Your partner right here just called him retarded.
Sovereigns are triggered.
This guy is calling people retarded, dude.
Be adults.
This guy, bro.
Triggered.
Everybody here be an adult. Calm down.
Oh, look, Krista's telling people to be an
This guy right here
adult.
calling people retarded.
Be quiet. This is a business. This is a
Oh,
courthouse.
show your
You're
lawyer
adults. Act
skills.
like adults.
Show your lawyer. Oh, that was the best lawyer skill. Look at her showing up with a sweatshirt to court. Man, you should call her. You should call her and tell her all about your case because she's going to tell everybody.
Retarded. That is an assault.
Oh my God, such triggered little sovereigns.
Yeah, calling somebody.
That's the title of this video. I'm a triggered little sovereigns.
Well, you're right.
This falls under fair use because this is a criticism.
retarded, man. Wow.
Yeah. This is fucking hilarious, dude. This is exactly what I expect from these fucking losers. Okay, now watch him spin it. He thinks he's politically smart, but he's really just a fucking anarcho-capitalist, fucking libertarian. Like, he's just nuts. He thinks he's a lawyer. He talks like he's a lawyer. He commands respect from people. That's the only thing that is good about him is his knowledge of language, and he can spin doctor any fucking situation. But his father is a fucking CIA agent. His father is a CIA agent. Red flags! Red flags!
So, do you guys want to follow?
Yes, those individuals want to
Oh yeah, let's file a complaint for nothing. For nothing. For you guys being triggered little assholes.
Against that, Marshall. It's currently appearing right now.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, Felipe. You're a fake ass attorney. You pretend to be an attorney. You lied.
guy gets the chew gum in there.
That would be a question.
Oh my God, the chewing gum.
I'm not his supervisor.
That's my
so I can't
complaint.
answer that question.
The fucking
That's
chewing
all I
gum.
get.
Jesus
Is
Christ.
to try and settle down this scene a little bit and then get you guys somewhere where you can make that complaint and
Okay.
hopefully somebody can answer that question.
I'm not gonna
answer a question and give you the wrong information, right? Because then that makes me a liar. So I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you, well, it's this or it's that.
I think that you guys only apply the rules to us, and you don't really give a shit about
No,
what's
listen,
happening.
he's actually doing his part. He's actually doing his avenue to complaint. So he's identified that he has been supervised capacity of that individual. He's now identified the avenue that we can go to change. So we're gonna change like, absolutely. This display that we have here after a protocol was given, they continue to respond and attempt to escalate. Those are bad news. That's why they're here, not on the street.
Spin, spin. Spin Dr. Felipe.
Today, right?
Watch. He'll contradict himself in the next sentence, probably. Yeah, look, he's trying. I've been to that courthouse many times. I've never seen a disturbance like this. These guys are fucking triggered little assholes.
Identified all those marshals that responded and acted in the way they did.
That one guy called Phil retarded.
Yeah, this is retarded.
No, he said you're retarded. Yeah.
That's fucking hilarious. Oh, look at him crap. Oh, Felipe Hernandez.
Every people that want to do a good job, and don't want to
Spin, spin, spin. This is what they do. They did this with Tony Recall in the Ryan Walker case. They went and like bullied and harassed the court. They chased out witnesses. They intimidated. They showed addresses of anyone that had any dirt on them. That's what they do. That's how they operate. That's how they do their YouTube thing. They're like YouTube celebrities.
You got it on video, right?
It's like all in their heads, the way they think that, like, oh, we got to create content. This is not recording cops. This is not making any change. This is giving you YouTube
Hey
change.
guys, so
It's giving you literal pennies.
yo, there ain't no punks inside this building today.
There's a lot of punks. You just look stupid. You look stupid. Bunch of sovereign citizens. Yeah, there's Felipe Hemming.
Do whatever
There's
they feel like doing, and what's gonna happen like that today?
there's the little guy.
Those
The
guys
little
are
guy.
ground.
Oh, look at the little man. And then
100%.
look at this guy, Adam Kratt. Adam Kratt. Look at that fucking beer belly. Quit donating. He's just chain smoking your donations away.
Well,
I don't even know who these other people are. Like, what the fuck? What's the average age here? Fucking 48?
I got all of it.
Man, they're acting like little children. They're acting like little kids. They're little gossipy little fucking teenage drama queens. That's what they are. That's what they are. They're fucking high school drama queens. Man, somebody's chewing gum in the court.
Felipe.
Put the link in the description.
Unless there's a mutual agreement or memorandum of understanding. Sometimes